This is a glueless unit out the pack. The laydown was a flawless. Y'all don't see any lace, do you? Balayage, body wave, out the box slay. Okay, it comes pre-everything. Pre-pluck, pre-curled, pre-bleached, all of it. Plop it on. Lay it down, lay it down. At a slant. Y'all see how pretty that is? Ooh, gorgeous. Pull, tuck. That's actually kind of cute with that little, this is a pixie cut. Y'all see that? Y'all see what I'm saying? Let's just bring this and just smooth this out. Yeah. It also is glueless. Glueless. The color is gorgeous. I feel like Ashimary did a really good job on that. Take this, use the hair that's up here to kind of make it messy. Okay. Okay, this could be really cute. So is that price point. Okay, that price point is real nice. Affordable glueless unit out the pack.